So welcome to my YouTube channel. In case if you are new to my YouTube channel, this is Tech Minds. It's been a while I uploaded the video, so I said let me answer most of the questions you guys are asking. You guys are requesting answers for. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to delete an application on your MacBook. For some of you who just purchased a new MacBook and you're wondering how you could delete an application fast and easy, so I'll just be making this video not too long to show you guys how to delete an application on all MacBooks. Though currently I'm using an M2 MacBook Air, but this definitely works on whatever MacBook you're using. So let's get into it right away. So first of all, if you want to delete an application on your MacBook, it's quite different from the Windows ways of deleting an application. In the Windows, you have to go through some settings, but I feel Macs are much more easier to use. So there are several ways, or like there are two methods of deleting an app on a MacBook, but I'll just show you guys the easy one I know, which I use most often. So what you want to do is you want to go to Finder. Then when you go to Finder, then you you might be on downloads, but instead you click on applications here. Then you see all your applications here. These are the applications that are currently installed on your MacBook. So what you want to do is that you scroll to whatever application you want to uninstall or you want to delete. You get what I'm saying? So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be uninstalling or deleting one of my applications right here. So let's see, which application don't I use that much. um I don't watch movies that much because I've been busy lately, so I'm gonna delete Prime Video here. So to delete this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this application here and drag it over to my bin here. This is the bin, so I drag it over here and just leave it in there. So what I want to do is um I have to input my password to enable it. So I just put in my password quick. So that's just it. We've deleted the application successfully, and that's it. You don't see it here anymore. So what you do is you've installed the application, so you want to go to your bin here. Then as you can see, the video is here and the app is here. So what you want to do is you can either, if you want to empty your bin, you click on empty bin right here. Then everything is going to clear, but I still have some things that I want to use here. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope it was helpful and it gave you guys a clear view of how to uninstall or delete your application. So you guys, please do like my video and do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you get alerted whenever I drop a new video. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. So that's the only thing I'm requesting for. Just like, share, and drop and follow me. Yeah, follow me, because I'll be dropping more tips on how to use certain applications on your MacBook, or how to do some. I'll just be literally answering most confusing questions and tasks that you might that you might need answers for. You get what I'm saying? So you guys stay blessed and peace.